The module most read content is going to show a list of the currently published articles which have the highest number of page views. So we need to give this module a title, choose to show the title or not, select a position for it, select the status, the access level. We can order this module in this position with other modules that are published in this position. We can give it a start publishing date and a finish publishing date if we want. We got a language. We can make ourselves a note here in the notes field. And again, throughout Joomla, make sure you're reading the tooltips because they're pretty self-explanatory. There's the module assignment. It's going to show up where we want this thing to show up. What pages do we want this module to show up on? And by default, it's going to have all pages selected. And you'll notice that you can't unselect anything by doing that. We need to go affect those lists by coming up here. So you can clear the selections by clicking No Pages, in which case it will publish it on nothing. And then if we select only on the pages selected, now it opens up these boxes where we can select what pages we want it to be, the module to show up on. Additionally, we have to go to a different tab to affect the different menu items on that tab. So pretty straightforward. You can choose whichever page you want your module to show up on. We can select all on the main menu by clicking Select All. We can clear it by clicking Clear Selection. Now when we click Select All, you'll notice it doesn't select everything on this tab. It only affects the items on the tab that we're on. So be mindful of that as well. When we clear that selection, that'll undo everything there. The basic options on the right, pretty straightforward. We need to select articles from a specific category or a set of categories. So again, this is going to show a list of all the currently published categories which have the highest number of page views. So we can choose one category and then hold down Control and choose multiple categories if we like that. We can change the count, the number of articles to display by default. Regardless of how many we choose up here in the categories, we can only tell it to show us 7 articles total. Do we want to show featured articles? Yes or no, it's up to you. And then you have the basic advanced options that are the normal inside the Joomla modules, where you have an alternative layout perhaps, a module class suffix. You can reference that here. And then you've got caching for this specific module. Thanks.